G, are you able to see only the G?
Yep.
Good. So once again, we're here with the Calderon Instrument, and we want to know distance here. Most people are told that they need a surgical guide here to place an implant. We already know where the root obviously is. Yes, we're going to do a little tissue graft here later on. And here, this just got a root canal done, so now we're going to let that heal. And when we do the crown here, we'll do the crown here, and we'll do the implant crown here. But the big question is this, is what is the distance from here to here? Remember, rules of 7. If you got more than 7, for every 7 millimeters, you need to place a one implant, according to Carl Misch. But we're going to go measure the instrument, measure the distance. When you see each line, G, can you see each line clearly?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so the thick line right here is 5 millimeters. The top of the thick line is 6. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just to the naked eye, I'm counting 9 or 10 millimeters. It is not 14. So that means we're only going to place one implant. Now, how wide is this ridge? Okay, so G is going to come over here because G gets great at filming everything. Abre nomás segundo. Okay, and we're going to look over here. G, can you see on top of here? You don't. It doesn't matter if you block my way. So, how wide is this ridge? This ridge is coming from this side to this side. So I can grab a probe. Just a moment. You can keep on filming with it, G. Now you see I have to turn away. I actually have to turn away to grab my probe to measure the distances that I'm at here. Okay? So it's ridiculous. I gotta measure distance here. I don't know what it is. I have to guess numbers. So why do that when I have this instrument here? I can put it at the end there. That's the ridge, 6 millimeters. Gee, can you see that?
Yeah.
That's how wide this ridge is right now. Now some people say, yeah, but that's a soft tissue, all that. There's always an SA involved in the lectures, and those of you who have been with Calderón Institute and Implant Mike, you know what an SA is, the letter S and letter A. Okay, so here you go again. It's about 9-10 millimeters. Okay, so we're going to place one implant. So now the question is, where do we place it? With this trusty instrument, we know the distance from one end to the other is 7 millimeters. So I can put it right against this tooth and I know where I'm going to place it. So I want to go dead center, so I can place that there. When I crown this tooth, everything is going to look beautiful. When I crown this tooth, we're going to absorb everything. So that's dead center right there. So I'm already going to mark it. And look at that trusty keyhole there. I'm going to place it in there. Where's the connective tissue? Now you see where it's at. So it ends right here. So we don't have much room. I'll show you a little later how this is done as we're going forward. Take care.